Welcome to What's What. Got Queen Khaleesi made the dragon babies famous. To your surprise, there's a beach where you can meet these dragons. The Moreki Boulders in Koekohe Beach, New Zealand. And when someone says beach, one probably thinks of rolling waves, bright sunlight, and a beer or fruity cocktail. But beaches come in far more different shapes and colors than some of us might expect. The boulders on this New Zealand beach are concretions, balls of sedimentary rock harder than the sedimentary earth in the shape of dragon eggs. When God's dragons can be met, why not Viking Satans? On your list should then be Turkmenistan. Somewhere in the middle of the desert of Turkmenistan lies this door to hell. A huge burning crater of 70 meters of diameter that has been on fire for 40 years. Enough to accommodate several of us. But no wonder who needs hell when the world has so much curious to know. When curiosity is spoken of, Las Vegas can't remain far away. Well, one can never cover it all. The city can't seem to get enough of never-ending glamour for its nightlife. But in order to experience all of its hotels, a human being needs to spend 400 years there. But then who needs to stay in 1,050,000 when one is enough? How about a night in the world's biggest hotel? This hotel, nestled in the Genting Highlands of Malaysia, the first world hotel and plaza, holds Guinness records for the world's #1 and the largest hotel by the number of rooms. If you're traveling sleepy and lands at the busiest airport of the world, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, then the Minute Suites are for you. The private suites are especially designed to take naps, where 1 hour nap will cost you around $46. But travelers must believe it's worth every penny, as the rooms are extremely popular. At any given time during a day, there are over 61,000 people strapped down inside planes above America. That's a hard thing to picture, but shows how important air travel is to their economy. On one of these planes, you might be flying to Switzerland, a landlocked country in Central Europe. Known best for its mountains, there's a thing you need to know before flying there, and that is earning to honor bread and salt. Using salt and pepper to season your food at any restaurant is considered to be very offensive to the ones preparing the meal. You'll just have to eat it how it's served. Good or bad, that's how it is. But when nothing fits in, beer is always a great company and an escape. Have you heard about the perfect pour? Pouring a pint of Guinness is a skill, which can only be perfected at Dublin's Guinness Academy. The perfect pour should be done at an angle of 45 degrees and take 119.5 seconds. When beer is talked about, wine can't be far away. At the end of a pilgrimage trail, which is called the Camino di San Tommaso, in a small town, Ortona, Italy, one can find a free wine fountain. It's provided by Dora Sarchese vineyard and is completely available for tourists from all over the world 24/7. You can taste the locally produced wine for no cost and enjoy beautiful sights of Italy. To travel so enormously, we need work leaves where Austrians have the most. Austrians get a minimum of 22 paid vacation days per year. So, are you also thinking now, why haven't you been to any of these places yet? Well, if you are, don't listen to what we say. Go, see all this for yourself. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to click and subscribe. We have lots more to tell you.